Okay, it's Taco Tuesday, and as soon as I get there to that spot, I will let you know. We're over here in Logan Heights. We're going to check out this one restaurant, Salud Tacos.
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Turn up for Taco Tuesday. Alrighty, so this to give you a little panorama of what's going on. It's taco time. Chef Tony here. I'm over here with Chef Ken.
As you can see, he's already getting started.
But I'm going to walk through mine a little bit first and give you a breakdown of what's going on today. We actually have some really good looking tacos over here. I'll give you a quick overview. Right here we have our carne asada mulita. Okay, they have fresh tortillas over here as well. When we came in, the guy was making them. You cannot really get any fresher than that. Also look like freshly made pico de gallo. It's pretty tasty as well. And since it is Tuesday, we do have Taco Tuesday. I have 3 types of tacos here. We have the pastor, the carne asada, and we also have the pescado, or fish for everybody else. So we're just gonna go in and dig in on this and give you guys a blow by blow or taste by taste of how everything is as well. Oh my goodness, those tacos was the bomb. As you can see, they're done. Move over to the mulita, the carne asada mulita with entrees, hot mango sauce on the side. Wish me luck. Just got finished eating today, and it was so good over here. I highly recommend it to everybody. We're gonna have this review up. Come by.